Do you ever find yourself throwing out a lot of leftovers, not quite sure what to do with them? It's when you got to learn how to get creative. So the challenge is just kind of thinking about what you want to do. I had a bunch of turkey, mashed potatoes. Turkey, mashed potatoes. I just did a turkey breast because there's just two of us. Mashed potatoes, some stuffing, a little like Thanksgiving type thing. So I am taking. Hold on.
My parents don't want me to remember that too.
So I grabbed a can of cream of chicken and I mixed it in with some carrots and peas, and I'm cutting up the turkey. I'm gonna make kind of a pot pie in a way, but I took the stuffing and the mashed potatoes and mixed them together to make the crust. I had some leftover croissant type crust from another item, so I'm going to use that kind of on the top. So you just have to learn to challenge yourselves. The stuffing and mashed potatoes. What, buddy?
And I love my grandma.
And Bema loves you, but I even threw in the leftover baked potato that I had. And we're going to get this all mixed up, and I'm going to put it in the pan and kind of make, like I said, pot pie in a way. The crust, and I put some olive oil on it and some seasoning, and that's going to go on top. Put some cheese on top, and we're going to throw it in the oven and bake it for a little while. Cheese on top, and put it in the oven and bake it for a little while. Sometimes these are the best meals. I can never recreate them because I probably will never have the same ingredients on hand. So it's a one and done. Unless you absolutely try. Yeah.
White pie.
What's on your face? Right here. Chocolate, of course. How I should have known.
I know. I love penguins.
You love penguins?
Dinos.
And dinos.
A lot of dinos.
Yeah.
And
Can you name some of the dinos? What's some of the names?
being on it.
Okay.
Actor. The new actor. Remember that one with the chicken?
Okay. What else?
I don't know.
You know all the names.
Oh no, I don't. Only at my house.
Yeah. Good tip is if you have a leftover chicken, turkey, that will fit in an Instapot like I do. I have just a turkey breast. I'm going to throw it in my Instapot, throw some water, chicken stock, whatever in there, and I'm going to make my own stock, get the meat off the bones, and then you can have soup. So you don't need to throw it all out. Get every ounce out of it that you can. It's really easy. I have the chicken breast and water and seasoning in here. Put it in my Instapot. Turn on pressure cook. I'm going to just leave it on normal. And I'm just gonna let it go for a couple hours. And that's it. I'm gonna take it out and strain it, toss the bones, and you got yourself meat and broth. Had to stop and think, sorry. Just came out of the oven. After being in the Instapot, I have my broth, and the turkey breast is all apart. I'm gonna pick out all the bones, and this will be our third meal off of one turkey breast.